Is my screen sharing is visible?
Yes, visible.
Okay. Just under the venue voting tab, there is a tab called Update Venue Document. You need to click on that. You need to just same way click the name of the company and select the EVSN. And document type, you need to write the right register or something like that. And after that, you need to embed the link here. And just make sure when you are preparing the link, make that not downloadable and not printable. It needs to be come from your end. We will only put that link into our portal what you have update here. So in from our end, we cannot stop any downloading or print from that to that link. So when you are preparing the link, make sure make it not downloadable and not printable. You need to put that link on the this venue voting documents URL tab and just submit, and then it will be visible to the shareholder at the time of AGM. They can only view, they cannot take print, cannot download it, and provided it has been from your end, it has been it needs to be stopped. Okay, Malaida.
Basically, you will find in the Google Drive option, everything is available. So if you want to share the document with any of the shareholder for the inspection purpose, it is very much required. Okay, now I am going to make all of you as a panelist, so you can view yourself or you can use your mic. Just make it sure that when the others is speaking, please mute yourself. Otherwise, it will be chaos. So one by one, please ask the question and we will try to answer. If one of you also can answer also. So I am requesting, I am going you to make your panelist, your upgrade from the attendees, from the panelist to enable you to speak out and use your camera. Just hold on. Now I have made everybody as a panelist. And everybody can use their camera and the mic.
And requesting all of you to please mute yourself. When you want to speak, then only unmute yourself.
Yeah, very well understood. It was a very good presentation. This is Vinay Kumar Goenka from Warranty Limited. Very well presented and very well understood. I think you are doing a very good presentation. You have done a very good presentation. It will help to comply with all the requirements. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
Vikaji sir.
Um,
Hello, Malloy and Argo ji.
बोलिए राजकुमार
Yes, sir. Tell me.
I am RS Kashyap. Sir, thank you for arranging this webinar, which would obviously help us to understand takes and baits of the online participation. Since this is the first time this type of meeting is been scheduled and held pursuant to the SEBI and MCA circular. But however, we have to understand digitization. One or two questions I want to ask, if you could.
Please go ahead, Kashyap ji.
Okay. So first thing is that for WebEx, if any of our directors is using their iPads or mobile, so does that mobile or iPad needs the WebEx software to be downloaded on the system?
Yeah, sir. It is advisable. It is advisable not to use that mobile phone for the panelist, because in the
Okay.
mobile phone the application have some limitations, and if some phone calls will come, it will be disturbing. So it is advisable the panelist, especially the chairman who is going to speak, always log in from the laptop or iPad or desktop with camera. And it is also
Okay.
advisable they can download that Cisco WebEx system. But if they are using that laptop, they can join through the browser also. Just type www.webex.com, click on joining, and they can join immediately.
Oh, and only the meeting ID and password will be required, na sir?
No, basically, we are going to provide you the two links. Two links, one for the panelist, another for the shareholder. Okay. The panelist link, we will give the panelist to the respective email ID. But Orho have showed you, how you can embed that shareholder link